little flower.
Hi kids, my name is Tech Teddy. Today we're going to see about simple machines.
Simple machines are fundamental mechanical devices that make it easier to perform work or manipulate objects. Kids, now we're going to see some example for simple machine that we are using in our day-to-day life. First, we're going to see lever. A lever is a rigid bar or board that pivots on a fixed point called a fulcrum. It allows you to lift or move objects with less effort. Examples include seesaws, crowbars, and wheelbarrows. Kids, next we're going to see wheel and axle. A wheel and axle consist of a large wheel connected to a smaller rod or shaft. It allows for the transfer of force over a distance. Examples include wheels on cars, bikes, and cycles. Kids, next we're going to see pulley and its examples. A pulley is a wheel with a groove that a rope or cable runs through. It's used to change the direction of a force or to lift heavy objects. Examples include cranes and elevators. Kids, next we're going to see inclined plane. An inclined plane is a flat surface that is tilted at an angle. It makes it easier to lift an object by spreading the work over a longer distance. Inclined planes examples include slide and stairs. Kids, next we're going to see wedge. A wedge is a triangular-shaped object with a sharp edge that can be pushed into an object to split it apart or lift it. Examples include knives and axe. Kids, next we're going to see screw. A screw is an inclined plane wrapped around a central cylinder. Examples include screws and jar lids. Simple machines are the building blocks of more complex machinery and are found in many everyday devices and tools. Kids, now we do matches for simple machines. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for Little Flower.